How to save voice message on Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Messenger account. Then click on the chat from where you want to save voice message. Then scroll down the notification bar from the top. Here you'll find screen recorder. Click on screen recorder and then play the voice message and start recording. After you start recording, you can simply stop and then you will find the voice message sound saved in your gallery. And this is the only way to save voice message from Messenger on your phone. You can also convert it to audio if you want to. If not, you can simply save it in that way. This is how to save voice message on Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.